Where is the world looking right now? You probably see the same news headlines every single day. But there is a massive country that is quietly burning to the ground while the world looks away today. We need to talk about Sudan, a place where a brutal war has taken a turn so horrifying that it will shake you to your core if you think you have seen the worst of what humanity can do. I need you to listen closely for the next few minutes because the people of Sudan are not just dying from bullets and bombs anymore, they are trapped in a silent, agonizing crisis that almost nobody on your social media feed is telling you about. Take a second to imagine your own neighborhood. And now imagine cheap, modern drones circling your skies, turning everyday life into a constant game of survival. Reports show that a staggering 80% of civilian deaths in recent months have been caused by these precise, heartless drone strikes. However, the absolute worst part of this war is not even what is happening from the sky, but what you would see if you walked inside the ruins of their hospitals. Let me share a story that will show you the true cost of this conflict. A tragic reality involving a young 13-year-old girl who suffered from a severe bleeding disorder. The war completely destroyed the local power grid. Doctors had to give her a blood transfusion in total darkness. The unsanitary conditions and lack of testing equipment meant she was given contaminated blood, infecting her with a fatal condition. This is not just one isolated tragedy, but the reality waiting for millions of families every single day as you are witnessing the complete collapse of an entire healthcare system. Hospitals are being actively shelled, medical supplies are being looted, and life-saving medicine is completely gone. Think about this number for a moment. Over 20 million people are currently staring down the barrel of extreme famine, meaning if a single food truck does not arrive tomorrow, they will not live to see another sunrise yet. Despite the sheer scale of this nightmare, the global response has been shockingly quiet. While aid corridors are blocked, supply lines are cut off, and innocent people are being left to starve in the dark. This is no longer just a political conflict over power. It is a definitive test of our collective humanity where every single day, the people of Sudan look up at the sky, wondering if anyone out there can hear their cries, or if the world has simply decided to forget them. As you watch this, you have to ask yourself a very uncomfortable question. Are we actually paying attention? Or have we collectively decided to leave an entire nation to its fate?